Hello there, Minecraft fans. This is Pistol TC, and am I recording? Okay, I think I am. Last time I, for some reason, did not record. Anyway, I'm gonna make me a new world, and I'm gonna call it Pistols Paradise. Whoop, Paradise. Quit fat fingering everything. Wait, shit. Hold on. Pistols Paradise. There's no cap. I cannot English very well right now, guys. Pistols Paradise. That's right. Okay. More world options. I'm going to have allow cheats on for now, just in case I want to, like, do some sort of cinematic shots of my world for whatever reason. I don't know. Most chests off. I'm not going to do that. We'll type default. Structures on. Okay, create world. Whoop. Got a message. I'll do that later. Okay. Better not give me a snow biome. I hate snow biomes. So, funny story. My first server that me and my friends kind of put up, well, technically it was my dad. But whatever. Wait, what's happening? Okay, there we go. Yeah, for some... Ooh, snow biome! Anyway, our first server that we put up, for some reason... Fucking snow biomes. For some reason, the, laggy. I'm gonna let the world load a little. But for whatever reason, it seems as though that the entire world was, like, transforming into a snow biome. I honestly don't know what was going on, but it had, like, plains and deserts. They were turning into snow biomes. Not sure if it was like a glitch or anything, but whatever. It was like one of the weirdest things I have ever experienced on Minecraft. Anyway, I'm gonna make myself a little hidey hole, like I always do. Okay, and then I'm gonna get me some wood. Ooh, sound weirdness right there. And I am gonna be trying to do other LPs. I'm planning that for other than Minecraft, I might be doing either Pokemon Emerald or Sonic Advanced 1 for my first LP. It's gonna be great fun. I need to turn my sensitivity up clearly. Hold on. Okay, options. Sensitivity needs to go way up. One. There we go. Done. Back to game. Whoa. Whoa, okay, that is too sensitive. Okay, 50% then. Okay, done. Back to game. Oh, that is a tad. Sorry about this, guys. I don't mean to do this. Put you through so much torture. Okay, done. Back to game. This better be sensitive enough. Okay, this is perfect. Alright. Okay, gonna grab me some more wood. Did I see one of those achievement things when I first started grabbing the wood here? The achievements are for, per world, right? I don't know. I might be high or something. I'm not really high. I'm only 17. I can't get... Well, technically I could. But I'm not the type to get high. Hey, get down here, you stupid piece of wood. There we go. Whoop. And... Whoop. Okay, there. Oh yeah. I do have a normal skin, but for some reason it's not showing up for me. Let's just turn all of it into wood. Alright. Okay. Whoop. Aye. Okay, place that down. And I'm gonna make myself a wooden pickaxe for like 10 seconds. And there we go. Whoop. Okay. Did I see a river here earlier? Yeah, there's water there. Or ice. I suppose that I could like turn that into water. And it's still a tad bit too sensitive. Again, I am sorry about this. Oh, oh, I'm gonna turn it to 33. That sounds good. And if also there's like something wrong with the sound, I do apologize for that as well. I'm going to be saving up to get me a new and better computer. And why do I still have this pickaxe? Tab. There we go. Go freeze in hell, you damn wooden pickaxe. Gonna make me a new stone, much better pickaxe. And I'm going to continue on with making my little hidey hole. Ooh, coal. Yes, come into me, coal. Ooh, experience. Forgot about that. Ooh, more coal. Hehe. Getting coal out the ass. Let me use this wood. Or, no, dirt. And then wood. Okay. And let's continue making the hidey hole. So yeah, you may have noticed that the picture on my for this video is kind of small. It's because I have not figured out how to enlarge in it. I have tried making it HD. I made it 720p, and that did enlarge it a little, but then I turned it to 1080p, and that did not help much. It may have made it like a tad bit larger than the 720p, but that's about it. Ooh, I do not like that sound. Okay, seeds, seeds. There we go, there's a seed. Ooh, ooh, I hate that. Hold on, I'm gonna run around here and like see if I can load up some of these surrounding chunks so that it's not quite as laggy. Alright. Should sort of do it, I guess. Whoop. Nope, not really that much better. I'm just gonna go to options and turn the sound down so that you guys don't have to hear quite as much of it. Back to game. There we go. There we go. Here's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, in case you didn't know, if ever you have ice, or if you're in a snow biome, Water will not freeze if it's underneath something. And there you go. Well, I'm going to need a hoe, though. Let's get me a hoe. Where's my... Oh, there's my place. Yeah, I'm probably going to be getting lost a lot, because I tend to have a bit of a knack for getting lost. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I really like getting lost. But that might be a good thing if ever I don't really have much to do for the videos. I might end up getting lost, and then we could sort of start fresh. Whoa. Okay, there we go. And let's hoe this ground. And there we go. I'm gonna grab myself some more wood. And that can stay there for right now. Anyway, so since I'm not a partner, I am unable to upload videos over 15 minutes. So I'm going to be stopping it here real soon. Just gonna put these logs in the furnace real quick. And one sec. Um, it, and bye-bye, guys.